Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. But if this is the first time of visiting this channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into today's tutorial. Alright, so what we want to do now is, after making this woven fabric, what we want to do is make a pocket out of it. So as you can see, after making it, you just use your iron to press it. Remember, beneath it is a cloth gum. It has a gum on it. So we are just going to gum the woven fabric to the gum. So you turn it over and iron this part also. So I'm done, and this is how it is. As you can see, it is strong. It is now gummed to the cloth gum. Alright, so the next step is to create a pattern out of a paper, a hard paper, cardboard paper, or whatever hard paper you can find, lay your hand on, and then you trace out the pattern you've made on your fabric. All right, you can use the chalk or anything that can show on it, chalk, pencil, or biro, any pattern that can show on it. As you can see, mine is clear. So the next thing I'm going to do, you're just going to sew around the size you followed. Just sew it, and then the next thing I'm going to, you should make a straight material, and then you cut two different colored materials. If you want, you can use the one color all through, but one of them should be biased from, while one should be cut straight. The one that is straight is going to be at the top, while the one biased is going to go round. So as you can see, I've already sewn around the line that I made. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out exactly to follow the line and made the shape I've created. As you can see how our pocket is already coming out nice. So the next thing is I'm going to do is I'm going to carry the straight one I cut. You remember this one I didn't cut it bias because it's just a straight line. So it's just a straight material I cut, and I wove one side. So you just sew it like this. You can just sew 1/4 inch. Then you fold it towards the inside and you sew. Remember, when you are sewing, you don't sew on the fabric you folded. You're going to sew just immediately where it intersects with the bigger part of the pocket, in such a way that the sewing is not going to show on the sky blue material, sky blue material. So you're just going to be careful. So after that, use your scissors to cut your thread. Don't be like me. So you can carry the other bias, the material you cut in bias form, and you leave an extra inch at the top. All right, then you just sew 1/4 inch, that's 0.25 inch. Just be gentle about it. Follow your curves gently, and so that you can maintain your 1/4 inch, and make sure you cut it long enough to remain up to 1 inch at the top on both sides. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to fold it inside like we did to the top, but you fold the excess fabric down, and then you fold this one inside like that. There you go. Then you sew it the same way you did with the top. This is so easy, guys. It's a very beautiful pocket. Please guys, if you derive value from my channel, please, I beg you, in the name of God, always don't forget to leave a thumbs up for me. And if you have a question, you can ask in the comment section. And please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. Okay, just notice this. Don't make this mistake I made. Remember I said your stitch shouldn't show on it. It should just be beside it. I made a mistake. Don't make that mistake I've made. So guys, that's all about it. You can see how beautiful this pocket is. So guys, I'll leave a link to my Facebook and my WhatsApp group so you can join. Bye.